So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Is your printer printing blank pages even though the ink cartridges are full? You send a document to print, the paper comes out normally but the page is completely blank. This problem happens quite often with inkjet printers, especially if the printer hasn't been used for a while or if the printhead becomes clogged. The good news is that most blank pages printing issues can be fixed without replacing the printer or buying new cartridges, because in this video I'll show you simple steps to fix printers that print blank pages, including running a nozzle check, cleaning the printhead, and checking the cartridge insulation. Let's start with the most uncommon important test, which is a nozzle test. This test prints a pattern that shows whether the printer's ink nozzles are working correctly. Just open Control Panel on your computer. Go to Devices and Printers. Find your printer in the list, then right-click it and choose Printing Preferences. Look for a tab called Maintenance. Select Nozzle Check and the printer will print a small test pattern. If parts of the pattern are missing or broken, it means the printhead nozzles are clogged, which is why the printer is producing blank pages. If that happens, move on to the next step, which is running printhead cleaning. Clogged printheads are the most common cause of blank pages. In the same Maintenance tab, select Head Cleaning. The printer will run a cleaning cycle that pushes ink through the nozzles to remove blockages. This process usually takes about a minute, and after the cleaning finishes, run another nozzle check to see if the pattern improves. Sometimes you may need to run the cleaning cycle 2 or 3 times to fully clear the nozzle. Once the pattern looks normal, try printing your document again. Now, even if the cartridges are full, they may not be installed correctly, so let's check the ink cartridge insulation. Open the printer's ink cartridge compartment. Remove the cartridges carefully and check whether the protective tape or plastic seal has been fully removed. If that seal remains on the cartridge, ink cannot flow into the printhead. Reinsert the cartridges firmly until they click into place. Close the printer cover and try printing again. Incorrectly installed cartridges can easily cause blank prints. Now, to confirm that the printer itself is working, do a print test page from Windows. Just open Control Panel again. Go to Devices and Printers. Right-click on your printer, then select Printer Properties. Click on Print a test page. If the test page prints normally, the printer hardware is working and the problem may be related to the document or software you were printing from. And if the test page is still blank, continue to the next step. Sometimes printing issues happen because the printer driver is outdated or corrupted, so let's update or reinstall the printer driver. Right-click on the Start menu on your computer. Open Device Manager. Then expand the section called Printers. Right-click on your printer, then select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers, and if Windows finds an updated driver, install it and restart your computer. You can also download the latest driver from the printer manufacturer's website. Installing the correct driver ensures Windows communicates properly with the printer. And of course, use the printer regularly to prevent this from happening. And that's how you fix a printer that prints blank pages even when the ink is full. In most cases, running a nozzle check, a printhead cleaning solves the problem quickly. And if your printer is still printing blank pages, leave a comment with your printer model and I'll try to help you out. And if you want more troubleshooting guides, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.